Hello everyone. Welcome back to Writing Tutorials. Today, we're diving into how to craft an invitation letter for a US visa. This type of letter is essential when inviting a friend or family member to visit you in the United States. We'll break down each part of the letter so you can follow along and create your own version step by step. Let's get started. Opening greeting. The invitation letter for a visa should start with a strong and professional greeting. Begin with your full name, address, phone number, and email at the top left. This shows you're taking responsibility for the invite and that you're open to providing additional information if needed. Today's date and addressing the consulate. After your details, include today's date. Then, leave a line or two of space and address the consulate directly with the words, U.S. Consulate General. You'll also want to include the location of the consulate where the visa applicant will apply, like Mumbai, Maharashtra, India. Addressing the consulate properly is important, as it directs the letter to the specific office handling the visa application. Subject line. Now, include a clear subject line like, Invitation Letter for B2 Tourist Visa Application for Mr. Rajiv Patel. This short, informative line helps the consulate understand your purpose right away. In this case, Mr. Rajiv Patel is the visitor, and B2 tourist visa is the visa type he's applying for. Always be direct in the subject line, no need to make it overly complex. Opening paragraph, introducing the invitation. Start with a warm and formal opening, something like, Dear Consular Officer. Then, introduce the applicant and explain the purpose of the letter, inviting someone you care about to come visit you in the US. In this case, I used Mr. Rajiv Patel, who is from India, and explained that he is planning to come to San Francisco, California. Be sure to include the intended duration of the stay as well. I wrote, from December 15, 2024, to February 15, 2025. Including exact dates shows that the visit is planned and organized. Middle paragraph, purpose of the visit. In this paragraph, you should explain why your guest is coming. For Rajiv, I said, the purpose of Rajiv's visit is to spend time with family and friends, experience American culture, and explore some of our local attractions. This demonstrates that the visit is intended for leisure and cultural exchange, which is exactly what the tourist visa supports. You'll also want to mention where they will stay. In this case, he will reside with me at my home. You should note that you'll cover the visitor's expenses, which helps reassure the consulate that the visitor won't need financial support during their stay. Additional information, ties to home country. The next section is key for a visa application because it reassures the consulate that your guest has commitments in their home country and intends to return once their visit is over. Here, I mentioned that Rajiv is a respected entrepreneur in India with family responsibilities to attend to. This implies he has strong reasons to return home. Closing paragraph, making an appeal. After that, you'll want to politely request that the consulate support the visa application. I wrote, I kindly request that you consider Rajiv's visa application favorably. If you can, provide contact details again to show you're open to follow-up questions or additional support. A sentence like, please feel free to contact me at 555-234-7890, assures them you're prepared to assist with any other information they may need. Ending and signature block. Finish off with a respectful closing, like sincerely, and sign your name below. Then, include your printed name again. If it's a printed letter, you can add a handwritten signature above the printed name. For digital submissions, a digital signature can be included or even a typed signature placeholder to let them know you're the author of the letter. That's it for today's tutorial. We've gone through each part of the invitation letter in detail, helping you craft a professional, supportive, and easy-to-understand invitation. Good luck, and remember that a well-written invitation letter can make a big difference in helping your loved one come to visit you in the US. Thanks for tuning in to Writing Tutorials. See you in the next video.